Hello everyone, I'm Crypto Nobes. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with Cardano. We're also going to be taking a look at price analysis as well as a few other big things. So if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button or share the video for more. Let's even get this video over 400 likes, and I also want to know down below, even though the current state of the market, are you still bullish or bearish on Cardano? With that, let's jump straight into the video. Just quickly, only 20% of you that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you are new around here or regular, hit the subscribe button as it is free and you can always unsubscribe later if you do not enjoy my content. So we'll start off by taking a look at the market as a whole. Over the past couple of days it has been a bit of a bloodbath for cryptocurrency, but as I always talk about on this channel, this is completely normal. Expect the odd 20 to 40% pullback because this is only healthy in cryptocurrency and it is the best time you can possibly buy. Bitcoin is currently at 48,497, but it does look like we have bottomed around the levels of $44,000 for the meantime. Ethereum is at 1,558. Binance Coin is at $223, Polkadot is at $33.27, Cardano is at 93 cents, XRP is at 46 cents, Litecoin is at $174, Chainlink is at $25, and Stellar is at 38 cents. But in today's video we are going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with Cardano, so let's jump straight into the first article. Just one thing before we jump into the article, I just want to say, bearing in mind this market is as bad as a bloodbath as it is, we are only back to the levels that we were a week ago. So just something to think about how much growth we have done in such a short period of time. And yes, this bloodbath does look quite bad, but it is only completely normal in cryptocurrency. Now jumping into the article, this one says, what's coming for Cardano in 2021? Hoskinson reveals all projects. According to Charles Hoskinson, Voltaire, Hydra, Ouroboros Omega, the Yella as well as DAEDALUS 2 will be released for Cardano in 2021. In addition, the IOG CEO promises tons of dApps and approval of the vision for Cardano 2025. The Cardano ADA price has made an incredible start to 2021. After ADA was trading around 18 cents on January 1st, the price briefly managed to rise above $1.20 yesterday. With this, ADA not only broke through the 10x mark since the beginning of the year, but it also recorded a new all-time high, which still dated from January 4th, 2018, and it was $1.15. A key driving factor for the price was undoubtedly the strong development progress as well as the announcements in the pipeline about partnerships and projects, including those in Africa. With the transition from the Shelley era to Goguen, Cardano will become a smart contract platform that will also support native tokens. As the recent success of the Binance Smart Chain in the DeFi sector and the subsequent pumping of the BNB price has shown, DeFi could also become a massive factor for Cardano. And it says down here, Charles Hoskinson, Cardano's inventor, has repeatedly stressed in recent weeks that DeFi offers huge potential, which is why IOG will put focus on it. And as CTO at Emergo outlined in November, Cardano will achieve scalability for DeFi applications of millions of users through its expanded UTXO model. Hoskinson now revealed a new tweet that 2021 will hold much more in store for Cardano than the community previously knew. The Cardano creator tweeted, "Y'all ready for 2021? It's just February." For 2021, sure, smart contracts, Voltaire, lots of Hydra action, full Prism integration, DCF, Cardano 2025 approved by the community, Ouroboros Omega published, ELA with mainstream languages, tons of dApps, DAEDALUS 2 and mobile, hundreds of tokens on Cardano. Am I missing anything? What's next for Cardano in 2021? The first item on the list is smart contracts. It's unsurprising as the last 3 hard fork combinator events Alonzo will complete the full activation of Goguen, allowing developers to create native tokens and smart contracts on the mainnet. Yet more interesting is Voltaire, the 5th and final era of Cardano. The Voltaire era will provide the final pieces needed for the Cardano network to become a self-sustaining system. Through the implementation of a voting and treasury system, network participants will be able to use their participation and voting rights to influence the future development of the network. As a result, Cardano will be fully decentralized. In addition, Hoskinson promises lots of Hydra action. Hydra is a layer 2 solution that will give the Cardano network scalability of over 1 million transactions per second. Atala Prism is a decentralized identity solution from IOG that allows people to own their own personal data and interact with organizations seamlessly, privately and securely. As Alan McSherry revealed in October 2020, IOG has over 30 potential opportunities related to Prism. Ouroboros Omega is a new consensus algorithm, a project in which all the ideas that IOG have had over the last 6 years are coming together. Hoskinson revealed 2 weeks ago. The YOROI targets the potentially 23.6 million developers IOG wants to address in order to draw more developers into its ecosystem than Ethereum, with its estimated 60,000 Solidity developers. YOROI is a dedicated virtual machine for Cardano that runs and verifies smart contracts. It also provides a human-readable language for blockchain developers. Cardano's developers website goes on to say, YOROI was designed using formal methods to address security and correctness concerns inherent writing Solidity smart contracts in Ethereum. When you write a smart contract in YOROI, it's more secure and easier to verify correctness. You benefit from an easy-to-use, readable language structure, and overall performance is improved. So overall, even though the market is in the red at the moment, there is still some very big updates to come with Cardano this year. Remember, we are only just over 2 months into the start of this year, 2021, the golden year of cryptocurrency, and we are now starting to see a slight correction, even though majority of cryptocurrencies have seen over 200% increase. Remember, this is only healthy in cryptocurrency. I want to know down below, are you buying during these key times? This is the next article I want to show you before we take a look at a price analysis and a stake pool update, and this one says Cardano's Hoskinson, lots of smart contract stuff planned for the next 2-3 months. Cardano is expected to see many significant upgrades over the next 60 to 90 days, according to Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson. In an interview with Financial Fox, Hoskinson revealed that within the next 2 to 3 months, a lot of smart contract stuff will hit the network. The IOHK executive also disclosed that over the past few months, Hoskinson has met with some of the teams behind Celsius, SingularityNet, Fireblocks and Prime Trust for the purpose of including support for Cardano. Prioritising which of these entities will receive an integration first has been a particular challenge, he added. It's necessary. You need that for dApps. You need that for institutional investors to come in. You need that for all kinds of different actors, and that's what consumes the majority of our time right now as a company. While the integration team is working towards introducing Cardano support across various platforms, the research arm of the Cardano Foundation is set to be working on new initiatives. Hoskinson commented on some of the new announcements that may be underway, stating, "We are going to be announcing several new things like Smart Contract Institute that specialises in smart contract development designed embedded at a university. In all likelihood, this will be introduced at the University of Wyoming because IOHK's existing relationships there at Wyoming General Direction with respect to the practical implementation of the concepts." The executive went on to say, "It should be noted that an update last week revealed that the Merry hard fork will officially hit the mainnet on March 1st, bringing the much anticipated native multi-asset functionality to the Cardano mainnet. In fact, in a recent blog post, the Cardano Foundation claimed that while smart contracts are arriving shortly, they are not required to create a native token on Cardano. Native assets could be used to mint non-fungible tokens or NFTs, which can be used to represent a huge range of unique real-world digital assets." To finish off today's video, we are going to be taking a look at a quick little price analysis, and if I show you this chart here, as you can see, even though Cardano has been in an incredibly bullish direction since the start of this year, we are now starting to see a slight correction. Remember, we have seen this time and time again in cryptocurrency, so when you see times like this come about, these are the best possible times you could buy. As you can see, these have fallen into what I think as a neutral level at the moment, so I think these are the best possible times you could get your hands on some Cardano. During this correction phase, Cardano looks like it has been one of the strongest cryptocurrencies during this whole correction phase, so in my opinion, I do think it is very good sign. If Cardano did fall below the levels of 80 cents, it would be slightly risky, but again, I do not think it is anything to worry about, as we have seen this almost 100 times in cryptocurrency time and time again, and that is in a short period of time. There are so many more people that have been in cryptocurrency longer than me, but once you start to see corrections like this happen over and over again, you then start to notice a pattern, and then you start to counteract on the dips. I do think if Cardano hit below the levels of 70 cents, we would be in a bearish phase, but again, I do not think it would last very long, as we would see an extremely big buy. But for the absolute worst scenario, I do think we would have to fall below the levels of 50 cents for us to be in a bearish phase, considering that would almost mean that the bull market is over. But I personally do not think we will see those prices. So a few tips for any newcomers or anyone who is fearful during these times: just do your research and realise that this does happen over and over again, and realise that this has to happen for a market to be healthy. If this didn't happen, a bubble would burst. I just wanted to bring you guys a quick update to do with the NOBES stake pool. We have recently hit over 200,000 ADA staked with the NOBES stake pool. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you that have been staking with us and have been showing incredible patience. We will start seeing big rewards anywhere between 250,000 ADA and 3 million ADA staked, so there is still a long journey to go, but thank you so much to every single one of you that has shown support so far. I have an incredible team behind me that I would not like to see go to waste. They are using the top technology out there to run a stake pool, so you guys would never have to worry about not getting rewards once they start. If you do want to stake with the NOBES stake pool but you are unsure, simply drop me a message down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I want to see as many people as we possibly can get into staking, as it really does benefit the Cardano ecosystem. Thank you to every single one of you so far, and thank you to every single one of you in the future. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you have enjoyed anything I've brought to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. Let's see if we can hit that 400 like target, and I also want to know your thoughts and opinions down below. If you are thinking about joining the NOBES stake pool, or you have any questions at all regarding staking, please leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I want to help as many people as I can get into staking, whether you're a beginner or a veteran. I want to see as many people as I can in staking. With that, I've been Crypto Nobes. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Peace.